Hi, hello. Now I try to explain you the practicals. Determination of acceleration of free fall G using a V-shaped pendulum. Now we will see what are the materials needed. So here two stand, two bosses, two clamp, two pendulum bob, sting off, length 1 meter, stopwatch, meter rule, protractor. So this all are we need. So this all arrangement I set up here. You see here, this all arrangement. There is the stand, boss, clamp, the ruler scale, the ruler, and also 1 meter thread and pendulum bob and protractor and also the stopwatch. So everything I arranged likewise this setup. You see this setup? In this way you can arrange. Now we will go for experiment. Theory 1. Theory 1. The total length of string L. There is a total length of string. There is a L. There is a 1 meter. String supported at M and N. String supported M and N. This end is the M. There is another end is a N. And vary 2 theta. 2 theta means here you take this one. If it is center means there is this angle. This angle is the theta. This side angle is the theta. There is a 2 theta. Then measured T. The measured T means time period of oscillations. So that is we will see. So there is the diagram they are giving here. So M and N. There is a X distance. So M and N here there is a 20 centimeter. Here it is the 90 centimeter. 20 minus 90 is the 70 centimeter. Okay. So X is the total. It is a 70 centimeter. The X is a total 70 centimeter. And see here there is a L by 2, L by 2. L by 2 means what? Means the string total string length is L. Total string length is L. This bob is divided into the half. This fully L. This bob is divided into this length. Here half is there. Here half is there. So it is this side is L by 2. This side is L by 2. Now we will take reading. Theory 1. The result table. L equal to length of string is 1 meter. Sir, that is I wrote here. There is a theta value, sin square theta, T1 oscillation, T2 oscillations, average, time period power 4. That is we want to find. So theta. So how much theta this is we want to find. So if you want to find directly, this means just you keep it here, this protector. Then you see here 20, here 20. You put center. 20 is there. It is showing. So 40 you cancel. 180 minus 40 you cancel. That time you can get it 140 around it. Otherwise 130. Like that you can find it. Otherwise you find using this protector. Otherwise use this formula. Which formula? Tan inverse. If you want to find this angle. If you want to find this angle, if this angle means, so use this formula. Tan inverse of x by theta equal to tan inverse of x by h. So how much x? X means this distance. How much is there? Here 20 is there. Here how much is there? This thread. So here 20. Here 20 is there. Here 90 is there. 20 minus 90 is 70. So x is the 70. So 70. 70, that means 70 centimeter. If we are changed into the meter, it is 0.7. Then height how much? Just you measure likewise from here to here. Okay, it is comes around 18 something. It comes around 18. So 18 centimeter. If you are changing the meter, it is a 0.18. If you are divide this one, we can find it the theta. Otherwise, use this formula and find it the angle theta. How much is there? You find it. So next, we are find it using this protector 130 degree. This angle is 130 degree. This angle is 130 degree. We are find it through this protector. Okay, it is cut into the 25. So out of 180, we minus 50, then we will get it 130 degree angles. Okay, then sin theta. So sin 130 degree equal to 0.766. Sin square theta. If you are square this one, 0.7 into 0.7, we will get it 0.581. T1 time period. So how much 10? So time period of 10 cycle, how much time it will take? So we will take it likewise. So it is the bob. Just we accelerate likewise. Then we start into this stopwatch. Just little oscillations. Okay. So there is a stopwatch. Just you start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 oscillation, it is comes 9 second. So 10 oscillation, I write here 9 second. Next T2, so 8 oscillations. We take average 8.5. And also T by S, T, time period. Time period means time for a 10 oscillation by average. If you are divide 10 by 8.5, we will get it 0.85. 10 divided by 8.5. So time period equal to, there is a average. How much we get it average? 8.5. 8.5 by 10 oscillations by 10. If we divide this one, we get it 0.85. So time period 0.85. So after that, the table they are giving T power 4. T power 4 means 0.85 into 0.85 into 0.85 into 0.85. The 4 times we multiply, we will get it 0.522. Okay, here we measured the theta. Okay, how much angle is there? You see the second table. Here x means distance. Here how much distance is there? Here from here to here how much distance? So distance is how much? 0.7 meter. So 0.7 meter x square. If you are square this one, 0.49. So the same time period here. Here what is the time period is there? The same time period. Here same time period. Okay, and also here all the tables are same here. So only we change the second table, the distance. How when distance is changed, how it is acceleration it comes. That is we will see. There is a third table. You see, there is the third table. Okay, theory 1 meter. So here x, that is the how much distance. This is the x. This is the x from here to here. There is a 0.7. Next y. So y means what? Here they are giving here. There is the third theory. Here they are giving y. From here there is the y. This is the y. How much distance this one? So this is distance is we measured here. It is comes around 38. You see here. You see here. Around 38. So this side 38, this side 38. That is why I wrote here. There is a 38. Here 38. Y by x. Y is a 38 centimeter. If you change meter, 0.38. Then x, y by x. So y value 0.38, x value 0.7. So T1, the same. That is the T1 same 8, average, time period. Then also T power 4 by x, T power 4 by x value. If you divide this one, we can get it 0.746. 0.746. The T power 4 by x. T power 4 value, this one, x value 0.7. We will divide, we will get it 0.746. In this way, you take reading to all the tables. Next, there is a theory. So total length is L. The string supported at M and N vary to theta and measure T, time period of oscillations. So time period of oscillations, you see here, L by capital L by 2 equal to cos theta. So this is there, take it in the cos theta, this value, cos theta. So L by 2 here. If it is goes up, 2L by L cos theta. Here I wrote here, 2L by L equal to cos theta. Okay, this value I wrote here. So L equal to. So if L equal to means the cos theta, the L it is divide is there. If it is goes this side, it is multiplied. L cos theta. If it is multiplied here, it is comes to this side. It is the divide. So L equal to L cos theta by 2. In this way, in this equation, it is comes. Next, we substituting into T equal, time period equal to 2 pi root of L by G. Time period of oscillations, formula this one. We will substitute this value here. So T equal to 2 pi, the root of LG, that means L value. What is the L value? L equal to L cos theta by 2 by G. L value, L cos theta by 2. Next, by G is there. Here, G is there. So, next, and square. If you are square this one, the root will be cancelled. The square, the root. If you are square this root, the root will be cancelled. After that, we see only it is L cos theta by 2 G. So, that is here, written here. So, T square. Here there is no root. That is why 2 square means 4 pi square. Here 2 pi square. Okay, here T square equal to 2 pi square. There is a square. If you square this one, we will get it L cos theta by G. But here they are giving here likewise, we will take likewise. So next one, the squaring again and using the trigonometry identity. Trigonometry identity equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Suppose if we need cos theta, here cos theta is there. So cos square theta equal to, if it is comes in this side, minus sin square theta plus 1 or 1 minus sine square theta. We will write likewise. But here they are taking likewise minus sine square theta plus 1 in this way. So t the squaring, because here cos theta only is there, here cos square theta is there, then again we square this equations. So 2 pi square, 2 square means 4, pi square again we square pi power 4, L square cos square theta g square, it is we will get it. So then cos square theta equal to minus sine square theta plus 1. So this minus, so minus same 4 pi L square, here instead of cos theta here we write sine square theta by g square plus 1. 1 means only we are writing this constant 4 pi power 4 L square by g square. This is only we are right here. Next t power 4 minus a. Minus a means 4 pi square L square g square. This all are minus a. So a equal to minus gradient 4 pi square L square g square. This all are minus a. And remaining sine square theta is the remaining sine square theta. Here this all are b. b equal to 4 pi square L square g square. This all are b. So this is the equations, the first equations. The next theory 2. So theory 2 is a total length of string equal to L. The string supported at M and N. Vary x and measure time period. So okay, this is the time period formula. Simple pendulum time period formula. T equal to 2 pi root of L by G. The raised to power 4. Power if you raise this one, the T power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There is a 16 pi power 4. This root is cancelled square. Then again if you put power, the square is comes. So L square L by G whole square. So we raise to power. So using a Pythagoras theorem. So using the Pythagoras theorem, so where we will use the Pythagoras theorem? Here this side we will use. Here there is a L. This two side square is equal to this hypotenuse side. This two square equal to this hypotenuse side. So this is the L. This fully it is x. First half it is x by 2. This is x by 2. So we will take only L square. Here you see L square. This L square plus x. This is the half. This is the fully it is x. This half is x by 2. This half is x by 2. So we take only one side. So x by 2 whole square. L square x by 2 whole square equal to L by 2 whole square. If you are square this one, L square x square by 4 equal to L square 2 square equal to 4. So what we need? This L. So because here the formula is L is there, so we want to find L. So L square equal to L square means if L square by 4 it is B here, then if it is goes this side, when it is come here plus means if you go this side it is minus. So minus x power 4. Okay, see here this value. So this value we will substitute here. So t power 4, 16 by 4, 16 by 4. Here square is there. This is also g square. G square we will take out. And L value equal to L square. L square equal to L square by 4. L square by 4 minus x square by 4. Okay. Then you see here, if you are multiply this one, this is you multiply here, that time what you stick it there. If you are multiply, you will get it this one. Okay, this 4, this 16. If you are divide, you will get it 4 pi square g square L square. So that is there written here, 4 pi square L square g square. Then afterwards, if you are multiply this one 16 to minus x square by 4 means the same it is comes. So the 4 it is cancelled. That time here 4 pi square g square and x square only x square. 4 it is cancelled. Okay. So in this way you will get it. If you multiply and divide, the 4 means 4 pi square x square g square and 4 pi square l square g square. The 4 it is cancelled. The 16 it is cancelled when you are multiplied at the time. So t power 4 equal to minus c. Minus c means what? Minus c 4 pi square g square. 4 pi square g square. Okay, 4 pi square g square, it is cancelled. Remaining x square only is there. Here also d equal to, you see here, there is a c equal to 4 pi square g square. 4 pi square g square. Okay, that is we are right. C, remaining x square is there, x. Here d equal to 4 square, 4 pi power 4 L square by G square. So 4 pi power 4 L square by G square. So instead of this one we write D here. So this equation T power 4 equal to minus Cx square plus D. Next one, 33. Total length of string L. String supported at M and N, but it is continuous. Vary x and measured y and time period. Vary x, it is x is vary. Then measured y and time period. So t equal to 2 pi root of L by G. The raised power 4. Raised power 4. That means 2. It is 16 pi 4 L by G square. Root cancel 1 square. Again 1 square we are put it here. L by G whole square. So length of string, there is the string length. Here this fully it is string length. First one is the, you see here y, here y1 is there, and also here y, 2y is there, y plus y and x, 2y plus x equal to L, 2y, here 1y, 2y plus this x equal to L. This is the length of string. Here total length of string. This is the 2y plus x is the total length of string using the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, this part only we are used the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, here L square 30 L square, you see here L square, here you take this one, this is L square, this side L square plus x, this part, this is the fully x, it is half means x by 2 whole square equal to y square. So this is, so if we need L means L equal to L square equal to y square. If it is goes this side plus it is goes equal to this side, that means minus x square by 4. So you will get it likewise. So in this value you substitute here. So L square equal to y square minus x by 2 whole square. So here t power 4 is there. So here t power 4, the 16 pi 4 is there here. Here L square. So here g you take it outside. So g square. Here you write g square. Remaining L square only is there. The L square value is this one. 16 pi square by g square. Okay. The L square value. L square value is, this is the L square value. You substitute here y square minus x power x square by this 4. This minus. So you cross multiply 4y square minus x square by 4. 4y square minus x square by 4. This equations. So the 4 is there. You take it outside. If you take it outside means here 4 is there. Here g square is there. So 4 divided by 16. You get it 4 pi square. So that is they are written here. 4 pi t power 4 equal to 16 and 4 pi square g square. Okay, then 4y square minus x square. 4y square minus x square. So this is the constant value. So 4y square we can write like this. 4y square minus x square. We will write 2y minus x, 2y plus x. So if you are multiply this one, 2y, 2y, 4y square. Okay, x into x, x square. Plus into minus x square. We can write like this. 2y square minus x square. We can write 2y minus x, 2y plus x. So here 2y minus x, we write here 2y minus x, 2y plus x. You see here 2y plus x. 2y plus x equal to L. So instead of this one 2y plus x, instead of this one I write this L value. Okay, here they give you 2y plus x equal to L. So 2y plus x, there is a equal to L. So I write here. So 2y minus x value, and instead of this one I write it is equal to L. 2y plus x equal to L. So I write here L. Then from this equation you can multiply this one. So 4 pi square g square. You multiply with 2. If you have 2 multiply means 4 into 2, 8. 8 y square. So that is 8 pi power 4 L y g square. And also you multiply this one 4 pi square g square into x. If you multiply this one, you will get it this one. 4 pi power 4 L x by g square. So here you see t power 4 by x. You divide by x both side. If you divide by x means here there is no x. That is why they are written here x. So 8 pi square L y by x. Divide by x both side. Here divide by x means x will be cancelled. That is why 4 pi power 4 L g square. So x will be cancelled. That is why there is no x here. So you see here t power 4 by x equal to e. E means what? E equal to 8 pi power 4 L g square. And f equal to 4 pi power 4 L g square. So instead of this value you substitute here e y by x. Instead of this one f we will write here. Okay, in this way you do this experiments. So what are the values we have took the readings? That value you substitute here, then you will do. So I hope I try to explain you. So if you